Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will delve into the topic of effective push-up modifications, showcasing 10 variations designed to enhance upper body strength and muscle definition. Push-ups are a fundamental exercise that not only builds strength but also improves overall fitness. However, many individuals may find traditional push-ups challenging or may want to target specific muscle groups more effectively. That's where these variations come into play. By incorporating different push-up styles into your routine, you can achieve your fitness goals more efficiently, whether you're aiming to build muscle, increase endurance, or improve your overall physique. Each variation we present will cater to different fitness levels, ensuring that everyone can find a suitable option to challenge themselves. We understand that working out at home can sometimes feel limiting, but with these practical tips and modifications, you can transform your push-up routine into a dynamic and effective workout. Whether you're a beginner looking to build strength or an experienced athlete seeking to refine your technique, these push-up variations will provide you with the tools you need to elevate your fitness journey. So get ready to discover new ways to engage your muscles and enhance your workout routine right from the comfort of your home. Let's dive in and explore these exciting push-up modifications together. The Pike Push-Up is an excellent exercise for strengthening the shoulders while also engaging the core. To begin, start in a downward dog position with your hands placed shoulder width apart and your feet hip width apart. Your body should form an inverted V shape with your hips raised high and your head positioned between your arms. As you lower your head towards the ground, bend your elbows and keep them close to your body, ensuring that your shoulders are actively engaged throughout the movement. Push back up to the starting position, focusing on using your shoulder muscles to lift your body. This exercise not only targets the deltoids but also enhances core stability, as maintaining the pike position requires significant abdominal engagement. To maximize the effectiveness of the pike push-up, it's crucial to maintain proper form. Keep your back straight and avoid sagging your hips, as this can lead to unnecessary strain on your lower back. Additionally, ensure that your head is aligned with your spine to prevent neck strain. As you progress, you can increase the difficulty by elevating your feet on a surface or performing the exercise with a slower tempo. Incorporating pike push-ups into your routine will not only build shoulder strength but also improve overall upper body stability, making it a valuable addition to any workout regimen. The archer push-up is a dynamic variation that offers unique benefits for strength building, particularly in the upper body. This exercise involves a one-sided loading technique where you shift your body weight to one side as you lower yourself, effectively engaging one arm while the other extends out to the side. This movement not only increases the range of motion but also challenges your stability and strength in a way that traditional push-ups do not. As you perform the archer push-up, the engaged side experiences a greater load, which intensifies the workout for the pectoral muscles, leading to improved muscle definition and strength. To execute the archer push-up, start in a standard push-up position but spread your hands wider than shoulder width apart. As you lower your body, shift your weight towards one hand while extending the opposite arm out to the side. This unique positioning allows for a deeper stretch and contraction of the pectoral muscles on the working side. To prevent instability during the exercise, focus on maintaining a strong core and keeping your hips aligned with your shoulders. Avoid letting your hips sag or rotate excessively, as this can compromise your form and lead to injury. By incorporating archer push-ups into your routine, you can effectively enhance your upper body strength while also improving your overall stability and control. The wide hand push-up is a fantastic variation specifically designed to target the chest muscles more effectively. By positioning your hands wider than shoulder width apart, you shift the emphasis away from the triceps and shoulders, allowing for greater recruitment of the pectoral muscles during the exercise. This hand placement not only enhances the activation of the chest but also provides a different angle of resistance, making it an excellent choice for those looking to build upper body strength and muscle definition. This variation is particularly suitable for individuals who may find standard push-ups challenging or seeking a more accessible alternative. The wider hand positioning can reduce the strain on the shoulders and triceps, making it easier to perform the movement while still engaging the chest effectively. It's a great option for beginners or those recovering from an injury, as it allows for a gradual progression in strength training. To maximize the benefits of the wide hand push-up, it's crucial to focus on controlled movement throughout the exercise. Lower your body slowly and with intention, ensuring that you maintain proper form and alignment. This controlled descent not only enhances muscle activation, but also helps prevent injury. By incorporating the wide hand push-up into your routine, you can effectively target your chest while building strength in a safe and manageable way. The standard push-up is a foundational exercise that plays a crucial role in any fitness routine. This classic movement involves starting in a plank position with your hands placed shoulder width apart and your body in a straight line from head to heels. As you lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows, you engage multiple muscle groups, including the pectorals, triceps, deltoids, and core. This compound exercise not only builds upper body strength, but also enhances overall stability and endurance. Incorporating standard push-ups into your fitness regimen is essential for developing a well-rounded workout routine. Their versatility allows them to be performed anywhere, making them an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced athletes. The push-up effectively targets the chest and arms while also engaging the core, promoting functional strength that translates to various physical activities. To maximize the benefits of the standard push-up and avoid injury, it's vital to maintain proper form throughout the movement. Keep your body in a straight line, avoiding setting hips or raised buttocks, which can lead to strain on the lower back. Additionally, ensure that your elbows are at a 45-degree angle to your body as you lower yourself, preventing undue stress on the shoulder joints. By focusing on these key aspects, you can safely enjoy the numerous benefits of this foundational exercise and build a strong, resilient upper body. The single arm push-up is an advanced variation that significantly challenges both strength and stability, making it an excellent addition to any seasoned fitness enthusiast's routine. By performing this exercise with one arm, you would increase the load on the working side, which not only intensifies the workout for the chest, shoulders, and triceps, but also demands greater core engagement to maintain balance. This unique aspect of the single arm push-up requires a high level of coordination and control, making it a true test of upper body strength and stability. Before attempting the single arm push-up, it's crucial to build a solid foundation of upper body strength through traditional push-ups and other strength training exercises. This preparation will help ensure that your muscles are adequately conditioned to handle the increased demands of this advanced variation. To maintain proper body alignment during the movement, start in a standard push-up position and shift your weight to one side as you lift the opposite arm off the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, avoiding any sagging or twisting of the hips. Engaging your core is essential for stability, so focus on tightening your abdominal muscles throughout the exercise. By following these tips and gradually progressing to the single arm push-up, you can effectively enhance your strength and stability while minimizing the risk of injury. The Superman push-up is a unique and challenging variation that offers significant benefits for both the core and upper body. This exercise combines the traditional push-up with a dynamic movement that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. To perform the Superman push-up, begin in a standard push-up position, but as you lower your body, extend one arm forward while simultaneously lifting the opposite leg off the ground. This position creates a Superman effect, activating the chest, shoulders, and triceps while also engaging the core, glutes, and lower back. The result is a comprehensive workout that enhances strength and stability throughout the entire body. Due to its advanced nature, the Superman push-up is best suited for individuals who have already developed a solid foundation of strength through traditional push-ups and core exercises. Before attempting this variation, it's essential to ensure that you can perform standard push-ups with proper form and control. As with any advanced exercise, controlled movement is crucial to prevent injury. Focus on maintaining a stable core and avoiding excessive twisting of the hips as you lift your arm and leg. Lower your body slowly and with intention, ensuring that your movements are deliberate rather than rushed. By emphasizing control and proper technique, you can safely enjoy the numerous benefits of the Superman push-up, enhancing both your upper body strength and core stability. The shoulder tap push-up is a dynamic exercise that not only targets the upper body, but also significantly enhances core strength and stability. To perform this variation, start in a standard push-up position. As you lower your body, you will push back up and then lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder. This movement requires you to balance on one arm while maintaining a stable core, which challenges your body's ability to stabilize itself during the exercise. One of the key benefits of the shoulder tap push-up is its effectiveness in engaging stabilizer muscles. As you shift your weight from one arm to the other, your core, shoulders, and hips must work together to maintain balance and control. This engagement of stabilizer muscles not only improves overall strength, but also enhances coordination and functional fitness, making it a valuable addition to any workout routine. To maintain proper form throughout the shoulder tap push-up, focus on keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Avoid letting your hips sag or rotate excessively, as this can lead to straining and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Additionally, engage your core throughout the movement to help stabilize your body. When tapping your shoulder, do so with control, ensuring that your movements are deliberate. By following these tips, you can safely enjoy the core strengthening benefits of the shoulder tap push-up while enhancing your overall upper body strength. The diamond push-up is a highly effective variation that specifically targets the triceps while also engaging the chest and shoulders. To perform this exercise, start by positioning your hands close together beneath your chest, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. This unique hand placement shifts the emphasis away from the pectoral muscles and places greater stress on the triceps, making it an excellent choice for those looking to build arm strength and definition. In addition to its tricep-focused benefits, the diamond push-up also contributes to core strength and stability. As you lower and raise your body, your core muscles must engage to maintain proper alignment and prevent sagging or twisting of the hips. This engagement not only enhances overall stability, but also promotes functional strength that can improve performance in various physical activities. To ensure proper alignment during the diamond push-up, keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Avoid letting your hips drop or rise too high, as this can lead to strain on the lower back. Focus on keeping your elbows close to your body as you lower yourself, which will help maximize tricep activation. Additionally, engage your core throughout the movement to maintain stability. By following these tips, you can effectively enjoy the benefits of the diamond push-up while minimizing the risk of injury and enhancing your overall strength. The close grip push-up is a powerful variation that places a strong emphasis on tricep strength, making it an excellent addition to any upper body workout. Perform this exercise, position your hands directly beneath your shoulders with your fingers pointing forward and your palms close together. This hand placement increases the difficulty of the movement by shifting the focus away from the chest and shoulders, placing greater stress on the triceps. As a result, the close grip push-up effectively targets the back of the arms, promoting muscle growth and definition. One of the key benefits of the close grip push-up is its effectiveness as a substitute for other triceps exercises such as tricep dips or skull crushers. It allows you to engage the triceps in a functional movement pattern while also incorporating core stability and upper body strength. This makes it a versatile option for those looking to enhance their triceps development without the need for additional equipment. To maintain proper form and avoid injury during the close grip push-up, focus on keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise excessively, as this can lead to strain on the lower back. Additionally, keep your elbows close to your body as you lower yourself, which will help maximize tricep activation. By following these reminders, you can safely enjoy the benefits of the close grip push-up while effectively building tricep strength. The forearm push-up is a unique variation that offers significant benefits for both mobility and strength, making it an excellent addition to any fitness routine. In this exercise, you start in a plank position with your forearms resting on the ground, elbows directly beneath your shoulders. As you lower your body, you engage the chest and shoulders while simultaneously working the core to maintain stability. This position not only strengthens the upper body, but also enhances core engagement, promoting overall functional strength and stability. One of the notable aspects of the forearm push-up is its similarity to bodyweight tricep dips, as both exercises recruit the same muscle groups. However, forearm push-up places a greater emphasis on the chest and shoulders while still effectively targeting the triceps. This makes it a versatile option for those looking to diversify their upper body workouts while building strength and endurance. To maximize the benefits of the forearm push-up, it's essential to maintain a neutral wrist position throughout the movement. Avoid bending your wrists excessively, as this can lead to discomfort or injury. Instead, keep your forearms flat on the ground and engage your core to support your body. Additionally, focus on keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels, which will help ensure proper alignment and stability. By following these tips, you can safely enjoy the mobility and strength benefits of the forearm push-up. The Spider-Man push-up is an innovative variation that not only challenges your upper body strength, but also significantly enhances core activation. To perform this exercise, start in a standard push-up position. As you lower your body towards the ground, simultaneously bring one knee towards the corresponding elbow, mimicking a crawling motion. This unique movement engages the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also activating the obliques and hip flexors, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve core stability and strength. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. One of the key advantages of the Spider-Man push-up is its similarity to traditional push-ups, which makes it easier for individuals to adapt to this variation. Since the basic mechanics are familiar, those who are comfortable with standard push-ups can seamlessly incorporate the Spider-Man push-up into their routine. This allows for a progressive challenge that enhances both strength and coordination. To maintain proper form throughout the Spider-Man push-up, focus on keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise excessively, as this can lead to strain on the lower back. Additionally, ensure that your knee comes close to your elbow without compromising your form. Engaging your core throughout the movement is crucial for stability. By following these tips, you can effectively enjoy the core activation benefits of the Spider-Man push-up while enhancing your overall upper body strength. In this video, we explored the significance of incorporating various push-up modifications into your workout routine to promote muscle growth and overall fitness. Each push-up variation we discussed, from the Pike Push-Up to the Spider-Man push-up, offers unique benefits that target different muscle groups, enhance strength, and improve core stability. By diversifying your push-up routine, you can effectively challenge your body, prevent plateaus, and achieve better results in your fitness journey. We encourage you to practice these variations regularly, as they not only build upper body strength, but also contribute to functional fitness that can enhance your performance in other exercises and daily activities. Remember, consistency is key, and integrating these push-up modifications will help you develop a well-rounded physique. If you found this video helpful and informative, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more fitness content.